Hi, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter frosting on a stovetop. The reason this is a great, simple, delicious recipe you can use for cookies, desserts, and anything of the like. So first, we're going to take a double boiler lined with a big mixing bowl. Make sure your mixing bowl is hot before you start. Next, we're going to add about half a cup of peanut butter, your choice. I'd use simple, smooth. Next, add half a cup of cream and let your mixture sit for about 2 minutes until your peanut butter is soft. Next, mix your mixture smooth until you have a silky, delicious, smooth peanut butter mixture. Finally, we're going to add our peanut butter mixture to our large KitchenAid mixing bowl, followed by half a cup of butter, and finally 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to add our bowl to our KitchenAid with a paddle attachment. We're going to put it on medium to medium high, so setting about 5 to 7, depending on your KitchenAid. We're going to whip for about 2 to 3 minutes till the mixture is fully combined. Check for your consistency. It should resemble a small cake batter, light and silky. Next, remove your mixture and allow it to cool before use, which will have a great simple peanut butter stovetop frosting.